For your consideration, this is just about mint dual 1246 belt drive turntable. As you can see in direct light, the original dust cover for this unit is in excellent condition. There are only a few small marks here or there to be found, and it has no cracks whatsoever. Bright work is superb. This table's been gone through and serviced by myself. It is in full operating order. We have a brand new platter belt. We have a brand new capacitor for the power supply, brand new rubber tip for the auto functions, brand new Switchcraft RCAs just installed. This table has a very nice Stanton cartridge, along with a genuine style, shows very little use. Through the start selection, we have Q up, to the correct point of the record, along with a smooth descent down. Both speeds are accurate, steady, and dead on. Pitch trimmer is operational. Manual Q is operational, along with a smooth descent. Through the stop selection, full and complete auto return. Rest. And table down.
TV shows are coming out. I'm number one on the home team, but I still feel unfulfilled. A silent voice in a broken heart complaining that I'm unskilled. And I know that when she thinks of me, she thinks of me as him. But unlike me, she don't work off her frustration with you. Recriminations fester, and the past can never change. A woman's expectations run from both ends of the range. Once she walked with untamed lover's face between her legs. Now he's good as ever, but it's she who has to beg.
And at the end of the record, full and complete auto return. Rest. And table down. Thanks for considering.